Want your child to stay sharp, focused, and full of brain power? Today, we reveal 7 scientifically proven brain-boosting foods every parent should know. But first, subscribe now and turn on the bell so you never miss vital health tips for your child's development. Let's start with eggs. These little powerhouses are packed with choline, a nutrient that supports memory and brain development. Whether you serve them scrambled, boiled, or in an omelet, eggs are a breakfast win that lines give your child's brain the boost it needs to tackle the day ahead. Next up, we have peanut butter and nuts. The healthy fats found in these tasty treats are like rocket fuel for your child's brain. They help improve focus, making them perfect for those long school days. So, whether it's a spoonful of peanut butter or a handful of almonds, these brain-boosting snacks are sure to keep your little one's mind sharp and alert. Now, let's talk about berries. Blueberries, strawberries, and their colorful cousins are bursting with antioxidants, especially vitamin C. These tiny fruits pack a powerful punch when it comes to supporting brain health. They help protect against stress and aging, keeping your child's mind fresh and ready to learn. Are these tips helping? Smash the like button if you want more health videos like this. And comment below, which food does your child love most? Moving on to our 4th brain-boosting food, fatty fish like salmon and sardines. These underwater wonders are swimming with omega-3 south, essential for brain growth and function. But that's not all. They even help boost mood and memory. So, the next time you're planning dinner, consider serving up some of these fantastic brain foods. Let's not forget about our green friends, leafy vegetables like spinach and kale. These nutrient-dense greens are full of folate and vitamins that help in brain cell formation and protect cognitive function. They're like nature's brain guardians, working hard to keep your child's mind in tip-top shape. Our 6th brain-boosting food might surprise you. It's Greek yogurt. This creamy delight provides protein and B vitamins, which aid in neurotransmitter communication. Think of it as the brain's messaging system, helping different parts of the mind talk to each other more efficiently. A bowl of Greek yogurt topped with some berries makes for a delicious and brain-healthy snack. Add image of sweet potatoes last but certainly not least, we have sweet potatoes. These orange wonders contain complex carbs and beta-carotene, providing your child's brain with steady, lasting energy. It's like giving their mind a slow-burning fuel that keeps them going throughout the day. Add image of all 7 foods together, so let us recap the 7 powerful brain foods: eggs, nuts and peanut butter, berries, fatty fish, leafy greens, Greek yogurt, sweet potatoes. Incorporating these into your child's meals is a surefire way to support smarter, healthier minds. Remember, a well-nourished brain is a happy brain, and a happy brain is ready to learn and grow. But wait, there's more. We're not just leaving you with a list of foods. We want to help you turn this knowledge into delicious meals your kids will love. That's why we're excited to announce that Part 2 is coming soon, packed with mouth-watering recipes using these brain-boosting foods. Imagine starting your child's day with a colorful berry and Greek yogurt parfait, or sending them off to school with a nutrient-packed sweet potato and spinach frittata. How about a lunch of salmon fish sticks with a side of crunchy kale chips? These are just a taste of the brain-boosting recipes we'll be sharing in our next video. We're passionate about helping you raise healthy, smart kids, and we believe that starts with what's on their plate. By incorporating these foods into your family's diet, you're not just feeding their bodies, you're nourishing their minds and setting them up for success. So, if you learned something new today, don't forget to like this video and leave a comment. We'd love to hear which of these brain foods your child already enjoys, or which ones you're excited to try. And most importantly, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. You won't want to miss our upcoming video filled with delicious, kid-friendly recipes that put these brain-boosting foods to work. Remember, every meal is an opportunity to fuel your child's potential. So let's get cooking and give our kids the brain power they need to conquer the world. Until next time, happy eating and happy learning.